Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be looking at the letters M, N, and O. And again, we're going to be breaking it down into vocabulary, listening, and practicing. And again, when we practice phonics, we clap our hands every time we say the name of the letter, and we tap our laps or the table every time we say the sound of the letter. Example, M, 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 monkey. All right, let's get into the video. The letter M, vocabulary. Monkey, milk, mother, mouse, moon. All right, listening. M, 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 monkey. M, 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 milk. M, 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 mother. M, 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 mouse. M, 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 moon. All right, now it's your turn. Are you ready? Go. Hey, great job. Remember, everybody, down in the description there are timestamps so you can check out any of the individual letters. Also, in the links below, there are links to other phonics videos that will help you to practice vocabulary and the previous letters. All right, let's get back into the video and the letter N. Let's start with vocabulary. Net, needle, nest, nose, necklace. All right, listening. N, 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 net. N, 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 needle. N, 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 nest. N, 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 nose. N, 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 necklace. Okay, it's your turn. Are you ready? Whew. Okay, good job. 2 down and 1 to go. Also, remember, in the description, there are links to my WordWall account, which is just one of many ways that you can use to practice letter recognition and matching upper and lowercase letters. Let's get back into the video. And our final letter, letter O. Vocabulary. Ostrich, octopus, on, otter, omelette. All right, listening. O, 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 ostrich. O, 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 octopus. O, on. O, otter. Omelette. Okay, it's your turn. Are you ready? All right. Woo! We made it. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, then you are amazing. Thank you so much for watching. And again, if you found the content useful or helpful, please like, subscribe, share the videos, and check out some of the other content we have on the channel. Again, thank you very much, and I will see you soon.
That's all, folks.